This is how to change models in ChatGPT. Whenever you want to start a new chat inside ChatGPT, you go to this page, you click into here, and you start talking to ChatGPT. But there's different models that specialize in different things. You can change them right up here. Currently, I'm on ChatGPT 5.2. If you click this down arrow, we're on 5.2 Auto. It decides how long to think. You can go to 5.2 Instant, which answers right away. 5.2 Thinking, which thinks longer and for better answers. And we have older models. Generally, you don't go to the older models because the newer ones are better. And when you're watching this video, they might be at 5.3 or 5.4, 5.6, 10.2, whatever. But this is where you're going to find it, at least for now, up in this top left corner. And you can change it at any time throughout your discussion with ChatGPT. So I could say something like, hi, on 5.2 Auto. And then I can switch to 5.2 Instant, and it answers faster. Not much faster, but a little bit faster. That's how you change models in ChatGPT. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this playlist right here, which is all about mastering the beginner skills so you can use ChatGPT like a pro, because you can't get really good at it if you don't know the basics. So check out that playlist, and I'll see you there.